Good morning to every. Good morning to all the Indians. Today is 19th November 2020, and this day is celebrated as National Integration Day. On behalf of Mannar Thirumalai Naikar College, first of all, I would like to thank our principal sir for accepting this program to organize this National Integration Day through online program. I wholeheartedly thank the President, Mr. Mr. S. Rajagopal sir. I thank our Secretary, Mr. M. Vijayaraghavan sir. I thank all the members of the management. Now, I welcome our Principal, Dr. Manoharan sir, who is very enthusiastic in introducing digital literacy in our college. And he is the person who unites all the professors in our college to organize each and every program in our college. I welcome you, sir. National Integration Day is celebrated especially to enhance love and unity among the people all across India. India is a unique country where there is unity in diversity, and there is no such country in the world where people from different walks of people with different culture and religious background peacefully. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Good morning to all. Especially very good morning to all the students, those who are participating in this program. On behalf of Mannar Thirumalai Naikar College and on behalf of the management of Mannar Thirumalai Naikar College, I am extremely happy to join this program for this National Integration Day. Really, I would like to convey my gratitude and appreciation to Dr. V.P. Radhi, Assistant Professor of English, Mannar Thirumalai Naikar College, Madurai. So, as a head of the institution, I am very happy to see Dr. V.P. Radhi. She is a person, she is a woman who is actively and she is having enthusiastic and eminent person, and she is organizing programs like this. So far, she has created more than 100 YouTube link related to our education. So in this National Integration Day, as a head of the institution, once again I appreciate Dr. V.P. Radhi, the most respected assistant professor in this English department of our college. And yes, and I appreciate all the students, those who are participating this program. You the people, you the future India, you the people who determine the overall deciding factor of future India. So in this way, I am very proud to participate with you in this National Integration Day. So why we are conducting this, we are celebrating this National Integration Day. So just before 1 minute, while Dr. V.P. Radhi talking about these two purpose for which we are doing this, or we are celebrating this National Integration Day. First, you see, National Integration Day is important to express unity in diversity. That is very, very important. Express unity in diversity in a country like India. That is very, very important. So this National Integration Day is celebrated on the November 19th of every year. So in this way, today, November 19th, so we are celebrating that National Integration Day. So National Integration Day commemorate the birth anniversary of the first ever women Prime Minister of Women Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. National Integration Day is observed across schools, colleges, and universities with nationalistic and patriotic pride. That is very, very important. So we are celebrating the birthday of then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. So we really, first women, that is very, very important. So she did so many things for our nation, and we are enjoying that things today itself. So now I would like to share some of the points related to this National Integration Day. So first we see National Integration Day, which is always known as Swami Ekta Divas, is celebrated on 19th November annually to mark the birth anniversary of the first woman Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. India has a total of 9 religions, more than 20 languages, and people coming from different cultural and ethnical backgrounds, and it's a Herculean task to integrate everyone. So the importance of national integration and unity should be taught to children right from the tender age, so that they grow up with the same mentality. That is very, very important. Next, National Integration Day or Swami Ekta Divas is celebrated widely in schools and colleges, for is on this day young generation, that is very, very you the people, you the young generation understand the importance of national integration. So as a young generation, you should know why we are celebrating this day, or what is the main purpose for celebrating this day. That is a question. So the purpose is to understand the young generation like you understand the importance of national integration in a country like India. So, former Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, led India towards integration, and she tried to untitle the India without any bias or discrimination. That is another one important point of this celebrating this National Integration Day. So you see the point, you note on the point again. She tried to unite the country without any bias or discrimination. That is very, very important. No discrimination, no bias. So இங்க வந்து வேண்டியவங்க வேண்டாதவங்க அப்படி எல்லாம் இல்ல. நமக்கு வந்து ஒரு நாட்டு பற்று எப்படி இருக்கணும், நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், எப்படி இருக்கணும், எல்லாரையும் ஒன்னா பாவிக்கணும், இல்ல எல்லாரையும் ஒன்னா ட்ரீட் பண்ணணும். We treat all the people in a same way. So at any cost, we won't discriminate the people, or we won't act in a biased manner. So to avoid this, we are celebrating this National Integration Day. And the social, economic, and political atmosphere in the country usually depends upon the degree of integration of the people. That is very, very important. Once again, I read that sentence. The social, economic, and political atmosphere in the country usually depends on the degree of integration of the people in the country. இந்த நாட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒவ்வொருடைய இந்த இன்டகிரேஷன் அப்படிங்கிற பாயிண்ட் நம்ம எப்படி இருக்கிறோமோ அதை பொறுத்துதான் சமுதாய பொருளாதார மற்றும் பொலிட்டிக்கல் ஒரு அரசியல் அந்த சூழல் அப்படிங்கிறது எப்ப நல்லா அமையும் அப்படின்னா it is fully depends upon the degree of integration. That is, to what extent we are having the integration, to what extent we are treat the people in same. At any cost, we want to show our bias. இங்க வேண்டியவங்க அப்படி காமிக்க கூடாது. இதை பொறுத்தான ஒரு நாடு, ஒரு சமுதாயம், ஒரு பொருளாதாரம், ஒரு நாட்டுடைய சமுதாயமோ, ஒரு சோசியல் எக்கனாமிக் பொருளாதாரம் மற்றும் இந்த அரசியல் அப்படிங்கிற இந்த அமைப்பு இருக்கும் என்று சொல்றாங்க. then given the population of India, which is more than 135 crore, it becomes extremely important to create awareness and campaigns across the length and breadth of the country for unity. Because each and every year, in this 19th November of every year, we are celebrating this National Integration Day. For that, the main purpose is to create awareness. And we conduct a campaign. So for what purpose we are create awareness among the people or conduct campaign across the length and breadth of the country? That means that people should know the value. So for that, we the people, we celebrate this day, National Integration Day, for all schools and college to impart the integration among the people and unity. Next, to divide and rule policy that British followed more than 200 years has sown the seed of this dividedness policy. So to avoid this bias or discrimination, we make use this day to eradicate that situation. Next, National Integration Day aims to bring together people from different walks of life on one single platform. That means each and everyone, they are having their own willingness, their own aim or activities. But if people, they are having their own interests or their own pros and cons or the discrimination, there is no possibility for getting unity. So National Integration Day's aim is to bring together the people from different walk of life in one single platform. That is very, very important. Another important point for which we are celebrating this day. Next, national integration is an extremely important step. National integration is an extremely important step that government to take up to prevent the fall of the social structure in India. So to create a very good social structure, unbiased social structure. So for that we are celebrating this day. Next, National Integration Day also celebrates the different values of democracy, such as secularism, fundamental rights, liberty, and freedom. So this 4 point is very, very important. So you all know very well. So National Integration Day also celebrates the different values. That is very, very important. Different values of democracy, such as secularism, fundamental rights, liberty, and freedom. And finally, I want to say, given the diversity and the dynamic of India, it becomes important to celebrate the National Integration Day and spread awareness about the importance of the unity in the country. So finally, what I am going to conclude in this National Integration Day is, given the diversity and the dynamic of India, it becomes important to celebrate National Integration Day and spread awareness among the importance of unity in the country. So the ultimate aim of this National Integration Day celebration is we try to create the unity among the people. That is very, very important. So with these few words, once again, I extend my wholehearted congratulations and thanks to Dr. V.P. Reddy on behalf of our college, on behalf of our college management, on behalf of our college student, and very particular about on behalf of the students who are participating in this program. Once again, and on my behalf, once again, I would like to convey my gratitude and congratulations and happiness to all those who are participating in this. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As you said, we Indians, we hold our hands together, and the whole India will become a prosperous country with unity and oneness, and we should have the patriotism as inculcated by our principal sir and the present Prime Minister Modi ji, who inculcates patriotism in each individual of this nation. Jai Hind. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students.
Yes, recording நிப்பாட்டிங்களா? இல்ல record பண்றது நிப்பாட்டிங்களா?
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. இப்ப இதுல எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மட்டும் இருக்கிறாங்களா?
Sir, just a minute, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir.
I think recording is not at stopped.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now only it stops, sir.
First year